Welcome to this Adobe Express course. We'll get started with the overview and knowing its features, understanding the essential tools, customizing pre-made templates, animation tools, video editing features, editing PDF files and creating documents, using generative AI inside Express, creating a web page, QR codes, extra functionality using add-ons, and a lot of tips and tricks which can boost your productivity. By the end of this course, you'll have a complete understanding of Adobe Express and you will be ready to use all of its features with your own creativity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, let's open the Adobe Express website. Click on this link. Now it's free to use forever and there's no credit card required for the free version. But it also has a premium plan. If I scroll down, you can see 3 packages: free, premium, and themes. Free version is free forever, but there are some limitations. You have 25 credits available every month for the Firefly AI features. There's no limit to the other mentioned features, and you can use this without paying anything. Next is the premium plan, in which you get 250 credits for the Firefly AI features, and there are some extra features included as well. If you want to see a better comparison between the 2 packages, then click here. You can see all the features of each package and see the comparison between free and the premium version. If you already have an active subscription of Adobe Creative Cloud, then you'll already have access to the premium version. And if you don't, then you can either get started with the free version. But the premium plan has also a trial version of 30 days that you can utilize to explore all of its features, and then switch to the free version if you want once the trial expires. You can see the payment amount here, but you'll only be charged after the free trial ends. So make sure to cancel the subscription before the trial ends. You'll have to enter your email address here. Click continue. And then put your credit card details or PayPal account. After that, click on agree and subscribe, and you'll get a free trial of 30 days. But if you don't have a credit card or PayPal account, then you can go back and get started with the free version. As I already have my Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, so I'll simply log into the Adobe Express website. This is the homepage, and we have some options here which we'll discuss in a minute. But first, let's talk about its interface. At the bottom we have a recent tab which contains my recent files on which I was working on. On the left sidebar we have some navigation options. Currently we are on the homepage. You have a top bar on which you can look up for something. You can narrow down your search using these categories. Currently it's set to all. Now if I click on your stuff from here, then it's automatically gonna change to files. And these are the same recent files on which I was working on, as Adobe Express keeps a record of the recent files. You can also create a folder from here and arrange your files inside the folders. You can create a brand, which is a premium feature, and I'll create a separate video for this later in the course. Then you have libraries, which is also a premium feature. Next on the left sidebar is the Explore tab. Here you get a lot of pre-made templates, stock content, design elements, and much more. You have a section for popular templates, seasonal templates, Instagram posts, stories, TikTok, resumes, flyers, presentations, and literally a lot of other stuff. On the left sidebar, you have some filters to narrow down your search results. If I select animated templates from here, then it's gonna show the animated templates that you can customize according to your needs. I'll create a separate video about animation. You can find the links in the description. If I select multiple page from here, then it's gonna show me the templates which have more than 1 pages. If I open this one, it has 3 pages following a consistent style. You can customize any of these templates. Next, you can only see the video templates if you want. Moving on, we have the photos category, and it contains a lot of high quality stock photos, both free and premium version. You can click on view all to see more results of that subcategory. Next you have the videos category. Again, great looking high quality stock videos available here, and you can use most of these for free. On some stock content, you'll see this crown icon, which means that you'll need a premium subscription to use that content. But still, you get access to a lot of stuff in the free version. Moving on, we have design assets. Here you get brushes, elements, frames, illustrations, overlays, and text that you can use to build up something from scratch or enhance an existing template. Next you have the backgrounds that you can use in your projects, and these look pretty good, very helpful. Then you have the text tab. It contains pre-made signs and labels, social elements, logos that you can customize to your needs. You have seasonal text, headlines, bios, phrases, and even stylized paragraphs. I'd highly recommend you to explore all these categories to see what's possible and what's available for you. Alright, next you have the built-in scheduler, which is a great feature. You have the most popular social media platforms that you can connect. Then you can create a social media post, add the text description, set a date and time, and it will automatically post that onto your selected social media platform at your selected time. So you can just create a bunch of social media posts, schedule them for a month or so, and then you can go on holidays or whatever. Anyways, I haven't connected any of my social media yet. Using it is pretty straightforward, but if you want a video on how to set up and use this scheduler thing, then let me know in the comments below and I'll create a video for you. Next you have the Learn tab, and here you have quick tutorials with instructions. I'll be covering most of the stuff in this course, but if you like you can go through these as well. They have also categorized these for your ease, so check them out if you want. Alright, let's go back to the home page. And here we are at the For You tab. You have some tabs down here which is set to suggested by default. You have the option to create something from scratch by uploading your own content, or use these presets to get started quickly. If I click on class projects, then it's gonna show the presets which are helpful for students. You can create a poster, video, presentation, infographic, report, web page, table of content, book cover, graphs, and mind map. Next is the Career tab. It contains presets related to career. You can create a resume. By the way, you can see the size of each preset underneath it, and this size is set to the international standards, so that's very helpful. You don't need to Google any of the sizes, and this is the beauty of this platform. You can simply click on any preset and get started. Moving on, you can create a letter, LinkedIn profile cover, presentation, web page, LinkedIn post, and business card. Next is Events and Clubs. Let's see what's new here that we haven't seen in the previous tab. You can create an online newsletter, invitation, and a brochure. Next is the Drawing and Fun. This drawing feature is new in Express. You can create a comic strip, desktop wallpaper, phone wallpaper, video, Zoom background, podcast and album cover. Then we have the learning aids. You can create a class schedule, planner, flashcard sheet, flashcards, graphic organizer, mind map, and concept maps. You can just click on any of the presets and get started. I didn't want it to make this video too long, so in the next video we'll talk about the essentials that you need to know in order to create a file and use these presets. So make sure to check the next video to understand the basic tools and how the editor of Adobe Express works. I'll put the links in the description. Next you have the Adobe Firefly AI features, which includes the text-to-image, generative fill, text-to-template, and text effects. These are the Adobe Firefly features, and now you can use these inside Adobe Express as well. If you want to learn more about these tools, then I have a complete free course on Adobe Firefly. You can find the link in the description or check my YouTube channel. Next you have quick actions. You can quickly remove a background, resize an image, merge videos, generate AI images using text. You can edit PDF files, convert files into a PDF, generate QR codes. You can animate using your audio, convert videos to MP4 format, convert from PDF, and do more. Next you have the popular templates. You can see popular Instagram posts here, stories, videos, resumes, flyers, and presentations. Next you have the seasonal templates, and this section shows the templates according to the current season or events. For example, if I go to the Google and search for Black History Month, then you can see right here that its duration is from February to March. As I'm recording this video in February, that's why it's showing the Black History Month templates in the seasonal section. So this section will show templates of some other events in the upcoming weeks, and so on. Next you have the text-to-image, generative fill, and text effects, which are the same Adobe Firefly features that we saw above. Alright, we have gone through the For You tab. Now if I click on the Social Media tab, then it's gonna show me some different options here. First you have the Popular category, which includes the most used social media presets. If you want to see presets of a specific social media platform, then you can navigate to that particular tab, and it's gonna show me all the available presets for Instagram. If I go to Facebook, it's gonna show me presets for the Facebook. Same goes for the TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Pinterest. In Others tab, you can find other platforms like Snapchat, Twitch, Reddit, Tumblr, SoundCloud, and more. Alright, next we have the featured social media templates. You can see Instagram posts, TikTok videos, Instagram stories, and you also have YouTube thumbnails. You can click on View All to see more results of a particular category. Next you have social media quick actions. You can quickly merge videos, remove background, convert video to GIF files, resize videos, images, and trim a video. Now everybody these days need these tools, and with Express you can use these tools without knowing any complex software, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Moving on, you have the Video tab. You have the popular video presets. You have the standard video sizes, both horizontal and vertical version. And you have the social media video presets all in one place. Next you have the video quick actions. You can trim a video, resize, merge videos, crop, and convert to MP4. You can also add captions to a video as well. Next you have the feature video templates, and you can use the Adobe stock videos for free as well. Moving on, you have the Photo tab, and here we have some new presets that we haven't seen before. You can create a photo book, and we've seen the other ones. You can create memes, postcard, book cover, phone wallpaper, Zoom background, playlist and podcast cover, calendar, and ID card. Then you have the photo quick actions. We have already seen these in the previous tabs. And then you have the Firefly AI features. Next you have featured photo templates, and it's displaying quite interesting YouTube profile photos. You also have a separate category for memes that you can edit. And that's the wallpapers. At the end you have Adobe stock photos that you can use for free. Alright, next is the Documents tab. We have seen these presets before, but if I go to the Business tab, we have some new ones. You can create an invoice, proposal, newsletter, presentation, infographics, divide a page, table of contents, a letterhead, memo, and a program. Let's see more. You can create a business card, report, a menu, magazine, certificate, and a gift certificate. Next is the Education tab. You can create a worksheet, class schedule, lesson plan, report card, drawing, a drawing worksheet, infographics, graphic organizer, flashcards, and more. In the Personal tab, let's see if we have some new presets. Yes, you can create a planner, checklist, calendar, label sheet, and a gift tag. If I scroll down, you have quick actions for documents as well. You can convert these mentioned file formats into a PDF file. You can edit a PDF document. You can combine different files, which is very helpful. You can organize and rearrange the pages of a document. You can convert a PDF file into other formats. And you can also convert your PNG files into a JPG format. Next you have a section for featured document templates. You have templates for menus, brochures, and invoices. Alright, next is the Marketing tab. And we have seen these presets before. Let's see if there are any new ones. In the Brand tab, you have Email Header and Media Kit. In the Promotional Materials, we have Print Banners, which is new, and a menu, program, and postcard. Online newsletter, tickets, coupons. You can also create t-shirt designs, bottle labels, and mug designs. In the Ads tab, you have all the presets related to social media ads, each with their respective size. Same goes for the banners and covers. We have seen the presentation presets. Then you have the blog and website. You can create a blog header. You can also create a functional web page. I'll create a separate tutorial for this one. And you have some other banners. If I scroll down, you can see some featured templates. You can also create a QR code. You can input your link here and do the styling as you want. And then you can download your QR code in your required format. It's pretty straightforward, but I'll still create a tutorial for this one in case some of you need help. Lastly, you have the Generative AI tab. This includes the same Adobe Firefly features that we have seen before. Again, I have a complete course on Adobe Firefly, so you can check that on my channel if you want. I've quickly walked you through all the available features and presets, so you can go to each category and use your required feature. But if it's hard to remember all this stuff, then you can simply go to the search bar and type what you need. You can also use these categories to narrow down your search results. But if you are not sure about the category either, then simply type what you want and it will show you the results from all the categories. You can take a quick peek and then choose your required category afterwards. You can also utilize these filters on the sidebar. There's one last thing, which is this plus button. If you click on it, it's gonna show you some options to quickly get started. You have some standard sizes here. You can also choose a custom size or choose any of the presets from here. You also have a tab for quick actions, and here you can find the quick actions from all the categories that we have gone through. This is a great platform, and even with the free version, you have access to a lot of features, templates, and stock content. Either you are a beginner or have experience in the design industry, this platform can definitely save you a lot of time and effort. So that's the end of this video. In the next part, we'll be diving deep into the essential tools for creating and customizing a design. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out any upcoming parts of this course. If you have any questions or feedback for me, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.